USMC Zippo Man back with another unboxing and story. Arriving at Marine Corps boot camp. First, let's check out the Zippo. Let's get this out of here. And we have Eagle Esprit de Corps, United States Marine Corps, $26.95. No, I did not pay that much for that. You never do online, so first thing I'm going to do is remove the sticker. Arriving at Marine Corps boot camp is it's probably going to be the worst few days of your life, actually. You're going to get there about 1:30 in the morning, as I remember. This is 21 years ago. And then they're going to take you and cut your hair and take everything you brought there, which should be nothing because I was told not to bring anything there, but we've had people show up with suitcases full of stuff. Let's clean this off a bit. And so basically everybody is yelling at you to go any and everywhere, and all you want to do at this time is go to sleep because you probably stayed up at MEPS the night before, and then you want to get there and just go to sleep. Well, that's not happening. You have stuff to do. You have gear to get issued. They'll keep you up the rest of that night and the whole next day. You will go to breakfast and you'll see other platoons at that time, and you still won't know anything about anything that's going on. It's not very fun for you. And you meet drill instructors. They're not the only ones yelling at you. Everybody there that's not a recruit is yelling at you also. They all seem to think they're drill instructors. This is G of 20. So sorry, I'm just writing the stuff I'm going to put in this Zippo box. You'll find it very unnerving. You stay up that whole day. You have to go to lunch. You have to go to dinner, even though you're not even that hungry yet. If you smoked, you need a cigarette by this time. That goes away within a day. I don't know how. It just magically does. What was that? G20. So like I said, you're not going to have very much fun. As far as this goes, that's only the first 2 days. You do get to sleep that next night for exactly 8 hours, 21:30 to 05:30. As most of you probably don't know, that's 9:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Just hope you're not on fire watch that night, because you're going to be really tired. Because if you're like me, you stayed up at MEPS all night thinking we were the cool ones. So let's put this in the display case with the rest. Here we go. I thought, well, this is a street chrome, and I forgot to mention that earlier, sorry. So we'll go, I have a whole row of street chrome and 4 more. So we'll make room for this one. Try and get them spread out. And there she goes. Alright. Thanks for watching. And hopefully you'll check back into the next one. Bye.